Houston. And my fucking duffel bag, my other clothes that I had. We took everything out because we was coming to salvage, you feel me, where we could. The roof fell in, all in our house, we got water damage everywhere. It didn't fall in on the outside, but it fell in
She
on
said
the
it'd
inside.
take like 7 to 10 days before I can hear anything back from them.
Yeah, but, man, I'm looking for the shit at my house, bro.
No, they
Why
broke
when I
in.
pulled up, you feel me?
I think they thought that Mike still lived there. I think they was looking for Mike's stuff.
You feel me?
That's what I said. That was somebody who knew because they must have thought that Mike
Fuck over there
lived
on the
there.
top. That's good for y'all
They punched the
that
window out with the shirt and left the shirt on the two
Chinese motherfucker.
Yeah, that's what we feel though, right? Hey man, when you get off, you could come. If you really, you could come halfway and meet me or something. You feel me? But I think me and my brother is yeah, that's what I'm saying. You come, but I gotta go get it. You feel me? But I'm saying I can turn around and come because I know you ain't got nothing. Nobody got nothing. You feel me?
You gotta wait. You gotta wait.
Bet.
And I'm gonna get a
But like I say, bro, I'm thinking about coming back tomorrow morning. Get our TV and shit.
Whatever I can save to see.
Yeah, good. I could do that, man. Cause I was gonna see. Cause I was.
Houston, I'm going back to Houston.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. I like that, cause if you got somewhere you
money,
could put our shit, that'll be cool. Like at your dad's house or something. You know what I'm saying? My dad told me to ask you. Cause our house told us. Like we gonna have to start all over.
Oh, I'm gonna go to they got some hotels out there too.
Mm-hmm.
Cause I don't but last night I
we
stayed
got
at
mold
Brandon's
growing in our shit and everything. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yep. I bet you what it did
Yeah, I
was
stayed at
knock
Brandon's
pipes
house
and
last
do something inside. Our
Yeah,
frame
and that's
bit,
what
the
I
whole
said. That's why I
house
said
bit.
I
You
got
can't
my
close
nanny
the front door.
house, Brandon house, Kendall house. I forgot about here. And then I'm gonna text
Rita
them
ain't got
and
shit
tell
on
her
this,
that I can
boy.
give her,
This
like,
shit here is
$300
ridiculous, man.
till we able to FEMA kick in.
It was a dry ass hurricane,
They
too.
got that 3-bedroom house that's empty. It's just her. If she home. Now you go to Sada live in the same apartment complex with Brandon.
That's where I'm going.
Cause we have all our, I got all my food.
Almost got Metro,
I
too.
took
That's
all my
probably
meat.
why
All
he
my
ain't
meat
in
when
the
we
house.
left that first day. I took all my meat in Houston. Got all my food to cook. No, my sister, cause that's why I left my mama car in. And then we rode in his mama car. Me, him, and his brother. And I left the kids.
Damn.
And my food stamps about to hit again. Y'all, it is so bad. Look at all these
I'm
trees.
going down this street.
I don't know. You went too far.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm actually about to go look at my car right now. Like see for myself. Cause they told me that my house was fine and it wasn't.
What you doing, bro?
No.
They looked fine on the
I left
outside.
my mama car in Houston. I don't have time to play with my mama. I pay her no mind. Right. We packed to the roof. Literally. We packed to the roof, literally. You didn't grab the Twins game, huh? Cause I forgot it.
Damn, I thought I could have sworn I
The
grabbed.
PlayStation, I forgot it.
Fuck.
I got Malachi Xbox. We got one game at least.
Well, if I was standing in some ants or something.
That's what I said. I can just try it. Cause them babies gonna be mama. Sugar was like, yup. Yeah. Mama, you left our game. Santa
Damn,
Claus Claus
shit
brought us
fell on
there.
top of their car.
Santa Claus.
There go
brought us
Shouters.
there. See, they don't have any
These fucking
hotels out
trees
there
need to
though.
come the fuck down. What's wrong?
No,
What's wrong, baby?
nothing. Oh, well, that's what my mama that way too.
She crying.
Watch these clothes.
Power de-energized.
Yeah, so okay, well I can text Jada. Well, you know what? Jada and them just got to Dallas. They not leaving no time soon. I know that. But I told Mike that this morning. I said I don't even feel like driving back to Dallas. Like, oh my God, that's so far. Only good thing was that you know my cousins was out there. Like, you know, I stayed with family the whole time I had been there. I stayed at the room for a couple nights because I had Greg. Mike mama got him. Yeah, she been doing 24-hour care. Greg was too much with me, with my kids and him. I was like, oh no, y'all.
Tell Miss Meek
And Greg,